Tapas number one, garlic prawns in olive oil. This is superb, this. I have a quantity of Argentinian red prawns that I have peeled and deveined, and now I'm just going to remove the shell. Thus. So I've done all these. The next ingredients, I have 7 really fat cloves of garlic that I'm going to slice. I have a lovely fresh red chilli and some light olive oil. It's a mixture of extra virgin olive oil and light olive oils. So I'm going to get this little bit of prep done. That's all the ingredients there are in it. I'm going to get this little bit of prep done, and then we'll come back. So I'll see you in a second. Right, so I've sliced up my garlic. I've put it in my dish. I've filled the dish up to about 1/3 with the olive oil. I've got my chilies all sliced up and a bit of lovely parsley, flat leaf parsley to garnish. So the oven is on preheating to 180 degrees centigrade. That's 360 degrees Fahrenheit, or 356 to be exact Fahrenheit. When the oven comes to temperature, I'm going to put the bowl of garlic and olive oil into the oven until I can see it start to bubble and cook nicely. When that happens, I'll get it back out of the oven and show you exactly what we do next. Right, so the garlic's been in the oven for 25 minutes. It's sizzling away nicely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my chili to the mix. Use my tongs because I don't want to put my finger in there, it's too hot. What I'm going to do now is put my prawns in. The garlic is going to kind of comfy. I can't, it's like the house just smells fabulous in the olive oil. Now, that's a bit hot. Just give my hands a quick wash. Oh, even the water's hot. Right, so this is ready to go back in the oven. When this is looking about ready, I'll come back, show you what it looks like. Right, so the prawns have been in the oven now for 12 minutes. So I'm going to get them out. Oh, the smell in this house is incredible. Look at this beautiful, beautiful garlic prawns in olive oil. Now, it's optional, but I'm just going to put some parsley in. Fresh chopped parsley. What I like to serve this with is just a bit of a rustic baguette. Can you see that? No. And you really do need, let me get that into shot. You really do need a lovely bit of rustic bread that you can rip off and dip in that beautiful garlic oil. So that's garlic prawns in olive oil, known all over Spain.